Why did President Idi Amin avoid touching Uganda's oil reserves? Simple. It's a huge financial loss to the country. Because of the little quantity of oil that Uganda has, the cost of getting the oil from the ground to the world market is greater than what Uganda gets from selling the oil. The problem is that nobody seems to have done this simple maths. For the record, America produces the equivalent of Uganda's entire oil reserves every 100 days. Yes, the 1 billion barrels of crude oil that Uganda has in the ground, America is extracting 1 billion barrels of crude oil every 100 days from its own oil fields. This is just to show you that Uganda has made a big investment to exploit nothing. We have made an investment to exploit and export its little oil reserves. But that huge investment cannot be recovered from the sale of the little oil that Uganda has. 1 billion barrels of oil reserves is nothing compared to what others are producing. And the cost of getting that small oil quantity from the ground to the international market is higher than what Uganda gets after selling the little oil. In business terms, this whole oil project is therefore a net loss for Uganda. And that is exactly why the Amin government left the oil alone. Just touching it is a loss already. Today, the only way to reduce that loss is to refine the oil ourselves as a country and sell the petroleum products produced from it. But instead, that loss has now been confirmed in stone because of prioritizing the export of crude oil. While all the so-called intellectuals, multi-party politicians, parliament, activists, the entire media, and all the citizens of the country are watching cluelessly, in silence, all this time, as their future is being stolen by a few, and they have all been watching in total silence how the national debt, which is left to Ugandans to pay, has also multiplied by 10 in broad daylight in just 10 years, since 2015 alone. Mainly loans taken to fund the huge bad investments made in this loss-making oil and gas scam, plus all the countless other meaningless international loans taken against the same little oil reserves. I can't believe that this is even happening. I thought you said you were the smart ones and we were the idiots. Now what stupidity is all of this? I bet most of you have absolutely no clue about such development maths, even in business. But you think you are sharper than Idi Amin. Look at you. Ignorance, pretense, and thievery everywhere. You're all just living in a rat race to the very bottom of human morality. Zero sense of patriotism or of building the common good for all. Even building a better Uganda for your own children tomorrow. Zero. What is wrong with all of you? What is wrong with all of you Ugandans? Thank you.